Hello friend, in today's video we are going to discuss the history of AEW TNT Championship. The AEW TNT Championship was first introduced on 30 March 2020. From the year 2020 to 2024, a total of 22 AEW wrestlers have won this title. So which wrestler have won the AEW TNT Championship and how long did they hold on to the title? To find out all this information, be sure to watch the entire video. Number 1. Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes secured the AEW TNT Championship for the first time at AEW pay-per-view event Double or Nothing. It was on 23rd May 2020 during an 8-man tournament single elimination match. In this intense showdown, Cody Rhodes emerged victorious over his opponent, Lance Archer, clinching the title. Rhodes held on to the TNT Championship belt for an impressive 91 plus days. Number 2. Brody Lee. Brody Lee clinched the AEW TNT Championship title for the first time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 13 August 2020. It was a single match with Cody Rhodes as his opponent. Defeating Cody Rhodes, Brody Lee claimed the TNT Championship for himself, holding on to it for a total of 55 days. Number 3. Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes secured the AEW TNT Championship title for the second time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 7 October 2020. It was a dog collar match with Brody Lee as his opponent. Cody Rhodes emerged victorious in this intense match, avenging his previous loss against Brody Lee. Following this win, Cody Rhodes held on to the AEW TNT Championship title for 31 days. Number 4. Darby Allin. Darby Allin claimed the AEW TNT Championship title for the first time at the AEW pay-per-view event Full Gear on 7 November 2020. It was a singles match with Cody Rhodes as his opponent. Leveraging his skill, Darby Allin emerged victorious against Cody Rhodes in an impressive display of talent. Following this triumph, the TNT Championship remained in Darby Allin's possession for a remarkable 186 days. Number 5. Miro. Miro seized the AEW TNT Championship title for the first time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 12 May 2021. It was a singles match with Darby Allin standing as his opponent. Miro emerged triumphant against Darby Allin in this match, securing the victory and holding the prestigious TNT Championship belt for an impressive 140 days. Number 6. Sammy Guevara. Sammy Guevara captured the AEW TNT Championship for the first time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 29 September 2021. It was a singles match with Sammy Guevara facing a formidable opponent in Miro. Despite the tough competition, Sammy Guevara emerged victorious, holding on to the AEW TNT Championship for a remarkable 87 days. Number 7. Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes secured the AEW TNT Championship for the third time in the main event of AEW Rampage on 22 December 2021. It was a singles match with the young and energetic Sammy Guevara as his opponent. Despite Sammy Guevara's powers, Cody Rhodes emerged triumphant, reclaiming the TNT Championship and holding onto it for 35 days. Number 8. Sammy Guevara. Sammy Guevara secured the AEW TNT Championship title for the second time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 26 January 2022. It was a ladder match with Cody Rhodes as his opponent. Sammy Guevara emerged victorious against Cody Rhodes in this intense ladder match, successfully avenging his previous loss. Following this win, Sammy Guevara held on to the AEW TNT Championship belt for a period of 42 days. Number 9. Scorpio Sky. Scorpio Sky claimed the AEW TNT Championship title for the first time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 9 March 2022. It was a singles match with Sammy Guevara as his opponent. Scorpio Sky dominated the match, overpowering Sammy Guevara and emerged victorious. The TNT Championship belt remained in Scorpio Sky position for a total of 38 days. Number 10. Sammy Guevara. Sammy Guevara clinched the AEW TNT Championship for the third time at the AEW pay-per-view event Battle of the Belts 2 on 15 April 2022. It was a singles match With Scorpio Sky as his opponent. After an intense battle, Sammy Guevara emerged victorious, seizing the AEW TNT Championship title and holding on to it for a span of 12 days. Number 11. Scorpio Sky. Scorpio Sky secured the AEW TNT Championship title for the second time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 27 April 2022. It was a ladder match with Sammy Guevara as his opponent. Scorpio Sky defeated Sammy Guevara in this thrilling match, reclaiming the TNT Championship title and holding it for an impressive 70 days. Number 12. Wardlow. Wardlow claimed the AEW TNT Championship title for the first time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 6 July 2022. It was a street fight match with Scorpio Sky as his opponent. After a grueling battle, Wardlow emerged victorious, securing the AEW TNT Championship belt and holding on to it for an impressive 136 days. Number 13. Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe secured the AEW TNT Championship title for the first time at the AEW pay-per-view event Full Gear on 19 November 2022. It was a triple threat match with Powerhouse Hobbs and Wardlow as his opponent. Samoa Joe showcased his skill and experience in an outstanding performance, defeating both opponents and clinched the AEW TNT Championship following this victory. Samoa Joe held on to the title for a total of 46 days. Number 14. Darby Allin. Darby Allin secured the AEW TNT Championship title for the second time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 4 January 2023. It was a singles match with Samoa Joe as his opponent. Darby Allin surprised everyone by defeating Samoa Joe in this match, showcasing his resilience and skill. Following this unexpected victory, Darby Allin held on to the AEW TNT Championship title for a period of 28 days. Number 15. Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe reclaimed the AEW TNT Championship title for the second time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 1st February 2023. It was a no-holds-barred match with Darby Allin as his opponent. After a hard-fought battle, Samoa Joe emerged victorious, seizing the TNT Championship title once again and holding on to it for a total of 32 days. Number 16. Wardlow. Wardlow secured the AEW TNT Championship title for the second time at the AEW pay-per-view event Revolution on 5th March 2023. It was a singles match with Samoa Joe as his opponent. After claiming victory in this match, the AEW TNT Championship remained in Wardlow's position for just 3 days. Number 17. Powerhouse Hobbs. Powerhouse Hobbs clinched the AEW TNT Championship title for the first time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 8 March 2023. It was a Falls Count Anywhere match with Wardlow as his formidable opponent. After an intense and thrilling encounter, Powerhouse Hobbs emerged victorious over Wardlow, capturing the AEW TNT Championship. Following this impressive win, Powerhouse Hobbs held on to the title for a total of 42 days. Number 18. Wardlow. Wardlow claimed the AEW TNT Championship for the third time in the main event of AEW Dynamite on 19 April 2023. It was a singles match against Powerhouse Hobbs. Wardlow avenged his previous loss by defeating Powerhouse Hobbs in this match, holding the AEW TNT Championship for 59 days thereafter. Number 19. Luchasaurus. Luchasaurus clinched the AEW TNT Championship for the first time at the AEW pay-per-view event AEW Collision on 17 June 2023. It was a singles match against Wardlow. Luchasaurus successfully defeated Wardlow in this match, holding the AEW TNT Championship for 98 days. Number 20. Christian Cage. Christian Cage won the AEW TNT Championship for the first time at the AEW pay-per-view event AEW Collision on 23rd September 2023. It was a triple threat match against Luchasaurus and Darby Allin. Christian Cage utilized his 25 years of wrestling experience and dedication to defeat both opponents and becoming the champion, holding the AEW TNT Championship for 98 days. Number 21. Adam Copeland. Adam Copeland won the AEW TNT Championship for the first time at the AEW pay-per-view event World's End on 30 December 2023. It was a no disqualification match against Christian Cage. After a thrilling battle, Adam Copeland emerged victorious, holding the AEW TNT Championship for only one day. Number 22, Christian Cage. Christian Cage reclaimed the AEW TNT Championship for the second time at the AEW pay-per-view event World's End on same date, December 30, 2023. It was a singles match, and immediately following Adam Copeland's wins, Christian Cage was granted a rematch against Adam Copeland. Christian Cage made the most of this opportunity, successfully defeating his opponent and reclaimed the championship. Since then, Christian Cage has held the AEW TNT Championship title for over 75 days. That was the complete history of AEW TNT Championship. For more AEW related videos, be sure to subscribe our channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more informative video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Wrestle Series Comparison. See you in the next video. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.